Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the KDENLive video editor for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the KDENLive video editor for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of KDENLive, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the KDENLive app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options right here. So just select a download button depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And then the app installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So here, you just need to click the next button repeatedly. And once you're on this page, you can now click the install button. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your KDENLive app will now be installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now use it to edit your videos. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.